So if you remember, this is where it was leaking, right? I basically flared that and I added these two clamps because there's a shoulder in between, right? And then follow the line. I've cable tied it there, cable tie. Again, same thing here. The only difference is that I cut this, joined it in far back there, okay, clamped it there, cable tied the clip because the clip was broken. Yeah, okay, I'm done on that part. Now I'm about to remove this and this hose, and then I will get access to remove the cover.
There she is, the one that overcame everything that was meant to